The Arctic is changing. Ice is thinning. Winters are shorter, and the animals that define the North are fighting to survive. Today, we explore 10 icons of the frozen world, creatures built for cold, now facing a warming planet. Polar bear, the ice hunter, the symbol of the Arctic, a predator that depends on sea ice to hunt seals. But the ice is melting earlier and forming later. Longer swims, fewer hunts, more starvation. The king of the North is losing his throne. Ringed seal, the silent survivor. Small, shy, essential. Ringed seals build snow caves to protect their pups. But warmer winters collapse those shelters. No caves, no protection, no future. They are the heartbeat of the polar bear's diet and the Arctic food chain. Arctic wolf, the ghost of the tundra. White fur, silent steppes. A hunter built for endless winter. But warming temperatures shift prey migrations. Caribou move differently. Musk oxen relocate. The wolf must travel farther and risk more. Musk ox, the ancient defender, a relic of the Ice Age. Thick fur, massive horns, a fortress on 4 legs. But heat waves stress their bodies. Parasites spread north. Food becomes scarce under melting snow. Strength alone is not enough. Caribou, the endless migrant. Caribou travel thousands of kilometers each year, one of the longest migrations on Earth. But warming seasons disrupt timing. Calves are born too early or too late. And predators adapt faster than they do. Arctic fox, the winter shadow. Small, fast, brilliantly adapted. But as the Arctic warms, red foxes move north, bigger, stronger, more aggressive. The Arctic fox is being pushed out of its own home. Snowy owl, the white sentinel. Silent wings, golden eyes. A hunter of the frozen plains. But lemming populations crash as snow patterns change. No lemmings, no owls. The Arctic sky grows quieter. Narwhal, the unicorn of the sea. A whale with a spiral tusk. A creature of myth that is very real. Narwhals depend on stable sea ice, but sudden ice breaks trap them. Noise pollution disrupts their communication. The unicorn of the Arctic is losing its magic. Beluga whale, the Arctic voice. Curious, social, highly intelligent. Belugas rely on sound to navigate and hunt. But melting ice brings ships, and ships bring noise. The Arctic's most vocal creature is being drowned out. Little auk, the Arctic's smallest traveler. Tiny, fast, relentless. Little auks feed on cold water plankton. But as the ocean warms, that plankton disappears. Millions of birds with nowhere to go. The Arctic is not empty. It is alive. It is powerful. It is fragile. The Arctic is more than a place on a map. It is a living engine, a pulse of ice and wind that shapes weather, oceans, and life across the entire planet. When we talk about the Arctic, we're not talking about a distant world. We're talking about our world, our climate, our future. The Arctic is changing faster than any ecosystem on Earth. And these animals feel it first, long before we do, long before the rest of the planet realizes what is coming. The polar bear swims farther. The ringed seal loses its snow caves. The Arctic fox is pushed out by stronger predators. The snowy owl searches for prey that no longer appears. The narwhal listens to an ocean that grows louder every season. The beluga navigates waters filled with ships instead of ice. The musk ox faces heat. It was never built to endure. The caribou arrives at calving grounds that no longer match the season. The little auk flies over seas that no longer feed it. If we protect it, the Arctic will continue to breathe, to shine, to endure. If we ignore it, the world will lose one of its greatest wonders, and the animals that define it will fade into memory. The Arctic is calling, not with words, but with change, with melting ice, with shifting winds, with animals fighting to survive. The question is simple: will we listen?